In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can pay your CIBC Costco credit card bill online. Now for this example, I'll be using the RBC mobile app. The steps are pretty much similar from any mobile app that you're using. So once you're in your mobile app of your choice, you're going to select Move Money. Then you're going to select Pay a Bill. Then you're going to add a payee or bill payee. Then you're going to search for the bill payee. Then you're going to search for CIBC. So you won't see CIBC Costco credit card. You're going to see CIBC Mastercard, right? So you're going to select the CIBC Mastercard option. Enter the nickname for your card. For example, CIBC Costco. Enter the credit card number and then select Save, right? Then you're going to go back to Pay a Bill. My card is already added, right? Then you're going to select Pay a Bill. Select the account that you want to make the payment from. Enter the amount that you want to pay. Then select your payee. And then select Continue. And then you just proceed to pay now. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.